Hello everyone, welcome to the online lecture series of the course Switchgear and Protection. The course code is 22524. It is included into the 5th semester of MSBT I scheme for the Electrical Engineering program. I am Professor PG Mahajan, working as a lecturer in Electrical Engineering department of Sandeep Polytechnic, Nasik. Let us see the course outcome. After completion of this course, the student should be able to fulfill these 6 course outcomes. The course outcome number 1 is identify various types of faults in a power system. After completion of this course, the student should be able to identify the various types of faults in a power system. After that, the course outcome number 2 is select suitable switchgear for different application. According to the application ratings of voltage, current, and power, the student should be able to select a particular switchgear components for that particular application. After that, course outcome number 3 is test the performance of different protective relays. Uh, the student should be able to perform a various kinds of tests on a relays and find out their results, as well as find out the operating condition of that particular relay. Relay should be operate within a specific time, whatever the time is set during practical. This performance should be indicated by the student. After that, course outcome number 4 is maintain protective systems of transformer and alternator. Students should be understand the various types of protective systems which should be apply for the transformer protection and alternator protection purpose. After that, course outcome number 5 is maintain protection scheme for motors and transformer line. Similar like a transformer alternator, the student should be able to understand the various protective schemes are applied for the protection of motors and transmission lines. After that, course outcome number 6 is maintain protection schemes for power system against over voltages. The student should be able to understand the various schemes for power system against over voltage. Okay. After completion of this particular course, this course outcome should be fulfilled by the students. After that, see the teaching and examination scheme for the course like switchgear and protection. The course teaching scheme is divided into two parts, theory and practical. In case of theory, there is a 70 marks theory paper. After that, 30 marks, out of that 30 marks get divided, 20 marks for the class test and 10 marks for the micro project. After that, the practical, in a practical session, end semester exam of 25 marks external. After that, progressive assessment for the 25 marks. It means that performing the practical and completion of the manual uh, of 25 marks. Like that, theory part of 100 marks and practical part of 50 marks. In this way, the total weightage of this course is 150 marks. Let us overlook the name of unit and marks of that particular units. The first unit is a basics of protection. In our first unit, what is the basic phenomenon of protection we have to learn in this unit, and what are the various types of protection components, switchgear components we are using for the protection of particular power system equipments we are to learn in this first unit. The weightage for this unit is 10 marks. The second unit is current interrupting devices. In this lecture, particularly we are going to cover uh, types of circuit breakers, their construction, operation and application. The total weightage for this second unit is a 16 marks. The third unit is protective relays. Uh, we will going to learn the various types of relaying schemes which should be applied for the uh, power system components, which may be transmission line, which may be generator, bus bar, feeder, like that, as well as for the motor transformer protection schemes we have to learn in this particular unit. The total weightage for the third unit is a 16 marks. The fourth unit is a protection of alternator and transformer. Actually, various kinds of protection should be applied to the alternator and transformer. Various kinds of protection scheme we will going to learn in this fourth unit, and the total weightage is 16 marks. The unit number 5 is protection of motor, bus bar and transmission line. This is the very important unit as far as the application point of view. In this unit we are going to learn the various protection scheme applied for the motor, for the bus bar and transmission line, and the total weightage for this unit is at 12 marks. In this way the total theory marks of these 5 units is 70 marks. From the next session we are going to start the first unit of this course, switchgear and protection, basics of protection. Okay, thank you.